There exists, on the very edge of the Arctic Circle, a place where the raw power of nature is on full display. A land sculpted by opposing forces, where fire and ice dance in a perpetual ballet of creation and destruction. It's a realm that challenges our perceptions of what a landscape can be. A place that humbles us with its vastness and its ancient history. A land born from a paradox. A place where the very elements clash in spectacular fashion, giving rise to a landscape unlike any other on Earth. It's a testament to the Earth's capacity for both immense power and delicate beauty, a place where the unexpected is always around the corner. It is a place where the planet's deepest fires, the molten heart of the Earth itself, meet the eternal cold of the heavens, where glaciers, ancient and immense, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. These icy giants, sculpted by millennia of snowfall and pressure, are a stark contrast to the fiery forces that lie beneath. This is Iceland, a land of sagas and stunning vistas, an island nation that defies simple categorization, a place where the unexpected is always around the bend, and where the forces of nature are always on display. From its rugged coastlines to its towering volcanoes, Iceland is a land of unparalleled beauty and drama, a realm where nature's most opposing forces are not at war, locked in a struggle for dominance, but are locked in a dramatic, creative embrace, a dance of destruction and creation that has shaped the very essence of this land. It's a place where the earth breathes fire, and where ice reigns supreme, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Here, the ground itself is alive, a living, breathing entity, breathing steam and molten rock, a constant reminder of the immense power that lies beneath the surface. Geysers erupt with explosive force, sending plumes of scalding water high into the air, while bubbling mud pots gurgle and hiss, releasing the Earth's pent-up energy. While vast sheets of ancient ice, glaciers that have stood for millennia, grind slowly but inexorably towards the sea, calving off icebergs that drift serenely into the ocean, monuments to the power of time and the relentless forces of nature. These icy giants are a reminder of the fragility of our planet and the importance of protecting its natural wonders. To journey through Iceland is to witness the very processes, the fundamental forces that have shaped our world over millennia, the slow, relentless forces of erosion, the explosive power of volcanic eruptions, the grinding weight of glaciers, condensed into a single breathtaking landscape, a panorama of unparalleled beauty and drama. It's a place where you can feel the earth breathing, where you can witness the forces that have shaped our planet in action. It is a testament to the raw, untamable power of the earth, a reminder of the forces that have shaped our planet for billions of years, a place that reminds us of our own smallness, our own insignificance, in the face of geological time, a humbling experience that puts our lives into perspective. Standing amidst these ancient formations, you can feel the weight of history, the slow, relentless march of time. Imagine a canvas where the artist uses only black and white, a stark and dramatic palette, fire and frost, the elemental forces of creation and destruction. The result is a masterpiece of staggering contrasts, a landscape that is both beautiful and brutal, serene and savage. It's a place where the unexpected is always around the corner, where the forces of nature are always on display. Rivers of incandescent lava, molten rock flowing like liquid fire, carve paths through fields of pristine snow, a surreal and unforgettable sight, their fiery glow reflected in the crystalline surfaces, the icy expanse of glaciers that have stood for centuries, silent witnesses to the ebb and flow of time. The contrast is breathtaking, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. The air itself seems to crackle with this elemental tension, a palpable energy that permeates the landscape. One moment filled with the sulfurous scent of geothermal vents, the pungent aroma of the Earth's inner workings, the next carrying the clean, sharp bite of glacial air, a refreshing reminder of the icy wilderness that surrounds you. The air is alive with the energy of the elements, a constant reminder of the forces that have shaped this land. This is not a gentle land. It demands respect. It is a dynamic, ever-changing stage, a canvas constantly being repainted by the forces of nature, upon which the grand drama of creation is performed daily, a spectacle of unparalleled beauty and power. It's a place where you can witness the earth being born anew, where the forces of nature are always on display. Understanding Iceland is to understand that in nature, in the delicate balance of the elements, Opposition is not destruction, but a catalyst, but a powerful engine for beauty and constant renewal. A cycle of creation and destruction that shapes the very essence of this land. A cycle of fire-melting ice and ice-quenching fire. A perpetual dance of opposing forces that gives rise to the unique and breathtaking landscape of Iceland. It's a reminder that even in the face of destruction, there is always the potential for renewal. This unique duality has sculpted every feature of the island, from its towering volcanoes to its vast glaciers. It has given rise to coastlines of pulverized black volcanic sand, a stark and dramatic contrast to the whitecaps of the ocean, where icebergs, calved from nearby glaciers, majestic and ethereal, wash ashore like diamonds scattered upon velvet, a surreal and unforgettable sight. The black sand beaches are a testament to the volcanic activity that has shaped this island, while the icebergs are a reminder of the glaciers that continue to carve their way through the landscape. It has carved deep fjords, dramatic inlets carved by glaciers, their sheer cliffs telling stories of ancient lava flows, the history of the island etched in stone, and the immense power of retreating ice, a reminder of the forces that have shaped this landscape over millennia. The fjords are a testament to the power of glaciers, carving deep valleys into the land as they retreated. The very soil is a product of this union, a testament to the interplay of fire and ice, a fertile yet fragile layer born from volcanic ash and glacial sediment, a unique blend that supports a surprising amount of life, which, in the short summer months, when the sun barely dips below the horizon, explodes into a riot of impossible green, a vibrant tapestry of life that defies the harshness of the surrounding landscape. The short summer season is a time of intense growth and renewal as the land comes alive with color. This is a land that is constantly being made and unmade, a dynamic and ever-changing landscape, a geological infant still taking its first, often violent steps, a place where the earth is still very much alive. The landscape is constantly evolving, shaped by volcanic eruptions, glacial activity, and the relentless forces of erosion. It is a place that challenges our perception, our preconceived notions of what a landscape can be, a place that defies easy categorization and inspires awe and wonder. It's a reminder that the natural world is full of